Let's lose track of time, darling. Stay for a little longer while I hold you down. We'll wait, so just let your head up on my shoulder. Nothing I wait.
Got a great vintage here for you.
Looks good. Thank you, sir.
Yep. Nice good coat on there. Good. Oh, cover to burn. There it is, right? That's good. What? Let's put on potatoes.
There's a fight off the cold. Holding you tight, you know just what I'm thinking. I don't want this moment to go. No, I don't want this moment to go. Let's lose track of time, darling. Stay for a little longer while I time will race on. Just rest your head on my shoulder. Nothing I wear is colder, but the days are only end.
Long time no see. Finally back vlogging. It's been a while since I have picked up the camera. Andy's getting ready for hockey and I'm drinking a matcha. I'm gonna fill you guys in on some life updates once Andy heads out because I'm gonna make some breakfast and then get ready to go to the barn, which is a huge life update that I will talk to you guys about. Getting a horse, 2 horses, and how that came to be. Classic head cut off.
Good oatmeal. That's good.
I'm gonna put some light makeup on for today. I'm probably gonna meet Andy downtown later, possibly. He is having his first skate with his hockey team that he plays with. It's called the Bozeman Stingers, and they have games every month pretty much against teams like Sun Valley, Jackson Hole. They're playing in Reno this year. Hockey season last year was so much fun. I met a bunch of really great girls. I'm gonna go for a ride because the weather this weekend is really nice. It's been awfully cold and honestly snowy the past few days, which is crazy because it's fall, but that's just fall in Montana. Mom's probably gonna come with me and ride her horse, Exie. We got 2 horses, Golden Buckles and Sugartown Express are their full names. Golden Buckles is my horse. His name is Gibby for short. I gave him that nickname. And he's a Palomino. He is 8 years old. He's like my new best friend. I love him so much. I grew up with a horse named Oliver when I was probably like 7, 8, 9, 10, around that age. Something about going back to your roots and where you started is just so fulfilling and it feels so like natural. My mom, so she's the reason why I ride. She rode in college. Her and my dad actually met because he was her farrier and he shoed her horse. So he put horseshoes, if you don't know, on her horse for her and would like do the maintenance. He became our farrier, and then since then, that's how they got married. Dad was a farrier when he was young. Mom showed horses in college. She's an English rider, so she rode dressage. And then when we got Oliver, we switched to Western Pleasure. He was like an amazing show horse that was retired, so I took him for a few shows when I was little. All I really had to do was sit there and he did all the work for me, so it's a lot harder now figuring out how to ride again, essentially. So fun to do this with my mom again. Every weekend she'd train me, and now she's giving me lessons again, and it's just like so full circle. All right, I forgot one thing before I leave. I have to make my sourdough, or I have to shape it. I have been on my sourdough journey. That's something else that's new. I know that it's ready because when I touch it, it doesn't stick to my finger. This has proved on the counter overnight for probably 12 or so hours, and now I'm gonna shape it. My friend Brie gave me sourdough starter when she was here in July visiting with her baby and her husband for Andy's birthday. And ever since then, I've been going strong on my sourdough journey, making sourdough probably twice a week. And it honestly is a game changer. I never knew or realized like how amazing it would be once you get the hang of it. Fold over and roll like a baby.
What you doing? What you doing? I think they're bored. Look at them. Way more dry than it was. Actually, I mean, your horse got really cold. Do it. Favor. Baby's gonna get mad. Look at your dapples showing. Look at the dapples. Our dinner. Literally, this is really funny. It's like, pick one. Which one do you want? I'll start. Burger. Wings. Ooh, I want firecracker shrimp. Oh, slaw.
Oh, I could have taken that.
Oh, you can take it.
No, I won't take it. I mean, I gotta go with the wings and fries.
Yeah, slaw. You can get the
Oh,
salad.
nice. Look at that.
Ooh, this one sounds kind of good, actually.
Oh, I guess we'll just share everything.
Oh my goodness. Thanks, baby.
Like a cafeteria takeout meal.
Yeah.
But this is not no cafeteria food.
It's fire.
My pork chop boy. Hi, my pork chop boy.
Oh, yeah. Oh, we don't have any more. Bowl plates.
I'm gonna put the shrimp and the salad on this one.
Oh, you are? Pepper, fries.
No, I just played 2 balls in last one, so I'll probably finish this hole in like 7 minutes.
Yeah.
I played 2 and it took like exactly 12 minutes. I got there, she said it would be 15 minutes. And it's just finishing everything. Look at that. Beauty.
Fire.
I don't have this.
So yes. Well, you see you don't have a team.
He said, who's your team? I was like, well, Alabama. Said like, told me stories about them, blah, blah, blah.
And then you said, oh, that makes sense. You're not having a game.
Yeah. And I was like, I'm just trying to support my friends and family's teams. Washington.
That's cool. have some French toast. It's a gloomy morning. It's 50 degrees out, which is actually kind of nice. But it's definitely gloomy. It's gonna rain later, so I'm coming over here because my mom and I are gonna run to the barn this morning before it starts to rain around noon, so that we can get the horses blanketed, their neck blankets on, and just say hi to them. My dad makes the best French toast ever. So hopefully he is there to make it and not already at work.
What?
Are you thirsty? Are you just a thirsty boy?
See if he wants some.
Are you just a thirsty boy? Is that what you need? You need water? Are you done? Yum. Let's see, here's some water.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Gibby. Gibby goo. Good boy, Gibby. It's a good boy. Those are your buddies there. Look, Gibby, look. Look. That one down there. I think that's I baked the sourdough loaf last night. I never showed you guys me putting it in or baking it, but I think it might be one of my best loaves yet. It turned out gorgeous. We're gonna make some sandwiches for lunch. Sourdough, turkey, and cheese.
Cooking sandwich.
I think all we've done in this vlog is cook, eat, and go to the horses.
Cook, eat, and fart.
And golf.
Oh yeah. Stop them, they're gonna play. Chili on a chip.
Beans
More
or same
liquid.
beans?
Same beans.
More liquid.
More beef broth. More onion. There's more everything really, except the meat. I did the same amount of meat because it isn't meat. So I did a full recipe this time rather than just a half recipe. So I did a whole onion, I did a whole pepper. So maybe that's the smart thing to do is to half everything so then it's like more,
Flavorful?
yeah,
No.
less,
It would just be the
less
same.
broth, less.
The only reason last time it was more flavorful is because we did more tomatoes than was called for.
And everything else was halved.
And everything else was halved. Right?
Maybe
Would that make it less
Maybe we had full
flavorful?
beans.
Just need some sour cream and some cheese.
Add some salt.
No.
No? Add salt.
It's a mixed bean, so isn't it?
Yeah, Yeah, it calls for just kidney beans, but I wanted to do the mixed beans, so it's kidney beans, pinto beans, and black beans.
And tomato paste.
Tomato paste, I didn't say that. A little bit of brown sugar.
Secret ingredient is the brown sugar.
Yeah. Beef broth.
Oh yeah, beef broth.
A little bit of beer.
Oh yeah, 2 secret ingredients. Beer and brown sugar. We put these corn chips on top, or that's what we're dipping to try it with, but some corn chips on top,
Cornbread on the side.
some sour cream,
Fresh
Cornbread.
cheese.
yeah, shredded cheese if you want. And I like to eat my sour cream, I like to eat my cornbread after the chili's done, like as a little dessert, butter and cornbread. Andy prefers to eat his cornbread with the chili, which I feel like is pretty common. Most people do, right?
That's the stuff.
We're gonna need more tape. Unfortunately. You have more?
Hey, I'm being filmed without my consent. Best box in the world.
Hi, Grace. Of course, the camera's for that.
I figured I'd make 20 boxes.
Aaron. Merck, Mary.
Something like that. Beauty.
Yum soup with chicken, fresh ginger stir fry with chicken, no mushroom and broccoli, and Thai fried rice with veggie. Total is gonna be 61 and 50 cents. It's gonna be ready in 45 minutes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much. See you soon. Bye.
See you. Bye.
I told you it was gonna be 45 minutes.
It's never been that long.
We're ordering Thai food for dinner.
It's
We just
15
went into
minutes.
Target, and it's gonna be 45 minutes. We already got our stuff from Target, and we decided to order the food after to be ready
I thought it'd
sooner.
be like 20 minutes.
And my camera's dying.
Daddy to give you your toy? Want Daddy to give you your toy?
You like that, Buckley?
Get it. You can't have both, Moosey. Oh wow, I thought he'd want the soccer ball. Get it, Buckley.
Turn around.
Oh yeah.
That took about 2 minutes.
Oh my god.
Let's lose track of time, darling. Stay.